All right, guys, 5-day challenge. Today we are doing the Mario Ethereal eyes. You guys know this palette that it fell into my lap. I bought it and I'm like obsessed. I thought it was so beautiful. The first time I used it, I was just like, whoa. Second time, whoa. After the first few times, I kind of already knew I was gonna love this palette. So am I giving it away? You're here to see my 5 days of usage. So you guys can get an idea if this is a palette that you can use every day. I mean, I really feel like it's kind of obvious that it is, but what can you do with it? Are the looks pretty? Are they things that you would want to do at home? So that is what we are doing today. I'm going to use this palette for 5 days straight to give it to you straight and tell you exactly what I think about this cute little palette. This is a limited edition palette, so it's not going to be around forever. So I did want to do this as quickly as possible. I hope this airs during the Sephora sale. I'm really hoping so, because this is a limited edition palette. Like I said, he may not release it ever again. I have no idea. This is the second time he's released it, but it might not come back. It is like around 68, I believe, US dollars, so it's not that cheap, but on sale you can get it for a good deal. So anyways, don't forget to hit subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, let's get into day number 1. Here we go, 5-day challenge. Day number 1, we've got the Mario palette. I am so excited. You guys, there's a backstory. I wanted this palette when it first released. And then I thought, you know what, Christina, this is too basic. This is a similar palette to a bunch of your palettes. And I said, no, we're not gonna get it. Then I started seeing it everywhere and I started second guessing. I started saying, I want you again. And then it was sold out. And then it was sold out for more than a year. And everybody that was posting pictures and images and videos, I kept saying, I need this palette in my life. So I put it on my Sephora wish list, like when this restocks, I need to know. And Trend Mood and Sephora warned me that it was back in stock. I think it still is. So we're gonna do a 5-day challenge on it because the Sephora sale is coming. And I'm hoping to have this video up before then, especially if this palette is still available, because this is something I know a lot of people wanted. It might have a little competition because I am also going to be doing a video comparing it to I Need a Nude, which I am basically analyzing right now. So today we're gonna do a first eye look to also get an idea of the formula. So let's first pull off this. I haven't even used this, like first time. Satisfying. Okay, so I want to do something with this pink color. I'm actually going out tonight to a dinner, I think, just a dinner. And yeah, so I have to do a pretty eye look to go out. So we're gonna start off with this pretty color. So I'm really hoping that this palette lives up to its hype. So I have pretty eyes tonight. And just blend it up to the brow. So far, very pretty. Like, this color reminds me a lot of a color also inside of the I Need a Nude. We're gonna grab this brown. I will tell you one thing off the bat is I do feel like this is a little bit more warmer toned. It looks like some of the browns look warmer than the I Need a Nude that seems a little bit more cool. Then let's grab, what is this one? That's cool. And then there's, ooh, this is so pretty. I want to do this one. Let's do that one. Glitter. Literally looks like I just put glitter on the lids. Look at that. Oh my God. That's so pretty. Very pretty. It's a nice formula too. Grabbing back into that dark, rich brown just to do that outer V smoke. I'm also grabbing this color up here. I'm blending upward. A little bit more of this color to kind of blend everything in. Let's bring some of it on the lower lash line. Pinky color. Then I'm going to tight line. Same brown, dark one. Okay. We're gonna smoke it a little bit with, let's grab this one and this one together. Pretty is that. I'm gonna grab the dark one again. And then, you know, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this just because I want to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna put it there. Okay, so it's like a little bit more like a cooler silver. Ooh, very pretty. Okay, 1 second. Let me do the other eye. Mascara. Everything's gonna come together. 1 second and magic of time. Check out those eyes. Wow, okay, beautiful. Lipstick combo today is Harissa from Bite Beauty and my Lawless Rosewood lip liner. So those two mixed together. I did that, and then House Labs eyeliner, my mascara is Rare Beauty, and what else? KVD eyeliner on the top, and that rounded out the face of makeup. I really like this look. It's beautiful, very me. Formula, super smooth, great formula, not patchy. Kind of a winner. Okay, so day one, super excited. Let's see how it keeps going, but so far, like, I mean, this look is incredible. Okay. We've got my look going for 5-day challenge. Let me get to the light. So this is what I did. You know, it's so funny that this palette is so light that when you do like natural looks, you almost can't tell on camera, but you could see a little bit, right? I don't know. Oh my gosh, I dye my hair next week. Look at this, like, it's terrible. Anyways, let me show you what I did. My throat is a little wonky right now, but push through, push through. What I did was I used this all over the lid, and then I grabbed this color right here and kind of like dabbed it like right here. And then on the outer V, I used this color and this color. So that's kind of how I came up with the look. I used a brown liner from Miss Natasha Denona. My lips are that lip liner Cinnamon from Lawless again with the color, what was the color? Hold on, I don't remember. Oh my God, my throat is killing me today. Okay, so this is Cookie. Such a pretty color. And I am wearing a dress. You know, it's so funny. People think that when you wear a dress, like you actually wanted to think of something to wear. And I feel like when you see me in a dress, it's because I do not feel like getting dressed. Dresses to me are the easiest way to get dressed without having to think. Because like I don't have to match a bottom. Like it's so easy. So when I'm wearing a dress, that means I didn't feel like thinking. When you see me in pants or jeans or anything, I actually thought of my outfit. This is like, I don't care. But anyways, oh gosh, this eyeliner. My eyeliner is a little thick right now, but I don't care. I've got to get to the office. Tonight is Halloween weekend. Oh, it's gonna be a long day. I feel like I really like this and I've only played with it twice. So I'm gonna grab this deep rich color and we're gonna do something smoky today. I actually have to film a video for MOTF, so it's a fashion video, so I want to see how neutral, easy I can make an eye look, because I can't go too crazy when I do fashion videos, because I don't want everything to not match, you know, because like I'm gonna be switching between so many different colors that if your eyes are like a specific tone, sometimes it's hard to match everything. I think you know what I mean. So today's video, I have to have something very neutral that can basically match with everything. Okay, so just gonna go like this. I do notice I'm getting like a little line from my concealer, so I feel like if you guys use this palette, you have to make sure that your concealer is really blended out. I know that that's my fault, because I do know that the concealer was exactly where I'm seeing this line and I didn't blend it out that good, so I just have to fix that. Okay, this is a really pretty brown. I'm gonna make sure to blend out the other eye really good when I do it, just to make sure. I'm pretty sure that's what happened there. We'll go with this one. Maybe we'll get a little cooler today. These mattes are very like dusty, and that because of that they blend really, really good. Like they're very blendable shades. That's something I've really noticed. You know, just for fun, I think I'm just gonna put this one up on the top. Then let's bring some of this deep brown on the waterline. The taupe brown, this one. Then get a big brush, grab a little bit of this one. We're doing like the same exact colors just to kind of like make everything blend good. And I'm getting a big brush because I want to like smoke this, like just so it looks really smoky on the bottom. And then I want to grab this color. I've been dying to use this one. I'm just gonna kind of like put this in the center. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna just dab it everywhere. This is just such a pretty color. I'm just gonna sparkle it everywhere. That's so pretty. Okay, give me a second. Eyeliner, mascara. I'm gonna smoke this out a little bit and I'll show you guys the final. If somebody feels like home and he's got me doing things I I never done. In Georgia, they call it a sin. Okay, and here we go. Final look. I like this look too. Okay, so this does kind of remind me of like an I need a nude look. So I blended out this eye better with the concealer and I didn't get that line, but also what I did is I put down this powder first. So I do think that this formula works better on like a powdered or very soft lid. Like if you have a sticky lid, it's gonna like stick to it. I feel like a lot of palettes do that. Natasha Denona's formula also does that. I like to work with a powdered lid with her formula better than if I have it like a tacky lid, like kind of, I wouldn't use a primer, I don't think, too much with this. But anyways, this is what it looks like. I think it looks absolutely stunning. Love the colors I used in this. My lip combination is from Natasha Denona. It's Sami, this brownish tone. I wanted to go a little fall. And then I used the Makeup by Mario brown eyeliner for the top. For the waterline, it's the House Labs beige eyeliner. And what else? Oh, the lip liner is Honey from Lawless. My mascara is actually from Lawless too. It's the Lawless One and Done, I think it's called, mascara. And this is the look. I love it. I think it's super cool. 5-day challenge. All right, my nose is a little stuffy and I didn't even have my makeup brushes, so I hope I don't look like a complete disaster. But I did, oh my gosh, do you even see anything? But I did do my eyes with this. I did a very simple look. So what I did was I grabbed, let me put this somewhere so I can show you. All right, I grabbed this color and I put it all over here, right? Then I smoked out with this one and this one blended together with my finger, and I kind of just like went like this. And then finally I topped it with this one. It's kind of like the glitter, and I kind of like just put it here. And then I put my Natasha Denona eyeliner. My throat is so funky right now. My Natasha Denona eyeliner and Rare Beauty mascara. I need to fix my mascara a little bit because it looks a little wonky. Okay, so the lip liner is this one. It's called Cinnamon. This is like the perfect fall lip liner. And then the lipstick is this one. It's called Wedding Day. So that is the lips. And anyways, this is the look. My hair, I'm getting my hair done next week. So excited for that. But yeah, this is the look. I'll see you guys in the next day. I think today what we'll do is a smoky, pretty looks with this palette so far. I think what we're gonna do today is, I guess we're gonna use, this is hard because the truth is this is such a beautiful palette, but I can see how you could probably do a lot of the same kind of looks. So I think what we'll do is let's add this white color to the inner portion of the eye. Let's try to do something nice, pretty, maybe very brightening, like that. Then we're gonna grab some of the lighter brown and this one. It's kind of like, you wanna do like a halo eye? We can do that. And then we're gonna put some of this in the inner portion. I just like changed my mind. Let's just do this instead. I don't know, I have like all these thoughts, but I think the lighter color in the inner portion will help this too. I mean, like you could do a lot of looks, but I do think like considering like the color story, it's not like, I don't know how creative you can get. A little bit of this pink color that I really like that he put it in here so far. That's been like a big winner for me. Okay, we're gonna grab this color here. It's like diamonds. Then we're gonna grab a little bit of the deeper shade, deepen out for camera, make it look a little bit more dramatic, because in person it looks good already, but like because the camera picks up less color, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. And let's like smoke underneath pretty good. We're gonna grab this color and this color like we did before and just add that to the lower lash line. So I'm wearing a full-on jean bodysuit right now. Jean jumpsuit. And I don't know, I'm like hesitant on if I'm gonna keep it or not. So I'm trying to see like, do I like this look after it's finished or am I gonna have to change? Because I'm not sure if I wanna wear it or not. But I figured I'd leave it on go through the process and see if I like love it or hate it. Can't tell yet. I'll probably put it up on Instagram. You guys can tell me over there what you think. That's what we've got going. I'm gonna do a tight line with the dark color. I think we're gonna smoke the lower lash line out too. Instead of using browns, I think I'm gonna use blacks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some black eyeliner on and black on the lower lash line, and I'm gonna smear it just to make this a little bit more dramatic. Give me 1 second. Obsessed. I actually really like the lip color with this. This is very dramatic for me. But yeah, this palette was successful again. Oh my gosh. I feel like the daily wear that I've done with it and also like the dramatic looks, I have loved. So my lip combination is kind of insane. I kind of want to find something like a lip color that's more like this plum color without having to create it. But I use the Alter Ego Infamous color mixed with the Essum lip liner in the plum color. And then I topped it with the Forget the Filler in order to smooth it out. So Smashbox sent me a goodie bag and I used their Superfan mascara. So pretty. Love it. Black eyeliner from Miss Natasha. That is the look. What do you guys think? Very vampy, very fall. All right, let's get into final thoughts. All right, so here we go, end of the video. You guys have seen the 5 days. What can I say besides that, like, I'm obsessed with this palette. I love the quality. I think that the mattes in this palette, they blend like so beautifully. Like they just like literally blend onto the eyes like a dream. I love Mario's eyeshadows, so I was not shocked by that. These glittery shades, in my opinion, are gorge. Like, they are very fine, but they're glitter. Like you could see the glisteniness. Like it's just so gorgeous. It reminds me of like the Patrick Ta formula. It's gorgeous. These two are amazing. I really like this metallic. It's a very bright, very beautiful color. This one here is just a really crazy, awesome, like metallic that just like, oh, I don't know. This palette has just such beautiful, this palette has just such beautiful elements to it. I love that there's like a pinky, peachier tone to kind of add a little bit of something. What you don't have in this palette is variety of color. So you are gonna be mostly in the browns. You're gonna have like those favorite eye looks that you really love, and you're gonna use this as a go-to. One of the looks that I think is really fun to do is just grabbing a glitter, putting it all over the lids, and then just doing a really strong eyeliner. It's what I did like last, I think it was Christmas, and I believe it was with the Patrick Ta palette. And I love the look, and I feel like you can do the same thing with this. This is like a travel palette. This is that easy to use palette. This is an everyday palette. This is like an essential. I did say in a previous video where I already kind of compared this to my Natasha Denona I Need a Nude, which is another beautiful palette, that there's something, a little bit of an edge on the formula of the Makeup by Mario. That is my personal opinion. It just blends a little bit better. But the Natasha Denona one is also my favorite as well. I'll see which one I end up using more before the end of the year, and I'll give you guys a follow-up probably at my end of the year favorites. But for right now, I do think there's a little edge on formula when it comes to the Makeup by Mario, but they're both gorgeous palettes. I think you can't go wrong either way you decide to go. And yeah, I really love it. I think it did an amazing job. I didn't struggle too much. I do think most of the looks end up looking pretty similar. You can do some variety, but you're not trying to do anything extremely crazy. I mean, if you look at the palette, it's not meant for that. This is an essential, like everyday, very beautiful, ethereal, think princess eyes, and that is what it gave us, and I think it's gorgeous. So yeah, I'm a huge fan. I give it 5 thumbs up, 10 thumbs up, lots of thumbs ups and A+. Anyways, that is where we're gonna leave this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next 5-day challenge and video. Bye.